Imagine waking up every morning feeling strong, energized, and ready to take on the day, just like you did when you were 40. Imagine having the kind of muscle strength that lets you climb stairs easily, lift groceries without strain, and move freely without that heavy, sluggish feeling. Now imagine achieving that not with hours at the gym or extreme diets, but with just one simple daily habit. Sounds too good to be true? Stick with me, because today, we're uncovering a secret inspired by one of the greatest icons of fitness, Arnold Schwarzenegger, a habit so simple, so effective, that it could transform your body and your life. You see, as we age, we naturally lose muscle mass. It's called sarcopenia, and it starts creeping in as early as our 30s. By the time we hit our 60s, many of us have lost up to 30% of our muscle strength. That's why everyday activities start feeling harder. Why carrying laundry becomes a challenge. Why climbing stairs feels like climbing a mountain. But here's the good news, muscle loss is not a life sentence. You can reverse it. You can rebuild your strength. And you can feel like your younger self again, just by changing one small thing in your daily routine. Arnold Schwarzenegger, even today in his 70s, is living proof. He isn't just sitting around reminiscing about his glory days. He's active, strong, and vibrant because he lives by a simple rule: move your body every single day, no excuses. That's the daily habit. That's the secret. It's movement. Not hardcore bodybuilding. Not marathon running. Just consistent, intentional movement. Every single day. Now, before you think, well, that's too simple, let me tell you something, it's simplicity that makes it powerful. Most people look for complicated solutions, fancy supplements, expensive treatments, magical machines. But the human body craves one thing above all: regular use. Muscles are like engines, they are built to be used. When you stop using them, they shrink. When you move them daily, they grow stronger, they stay alive, they fight off aging. Arnold often says, the worst thing for the body is doing nothing. And it's true. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need to lift heavy weights. You don't even need a full workout routine. What you need is a commitment to move. Every day. Without fail. Start simple. Stretch when you wake up. Go for a walk around your neighborhood. Do light squats by your kitchen counter. Pick up light dumbbells or water bottles and do some bicep curls while watching TV. Dance to your favorite music. Play with your grandkids. Garden. Clean the house with a little extra vigor. It all counts. Movement is movement. What matters is the daily habit. Arnold didn't stay strong by doing heavy deadlifts at 75. He stayed strong by moving his body every single day. He bikes. He walks. He trains lightly. But most importantly, he never lets a day go by without moving. His goal isn't to break records anymore, it's to stay functional, to stay independent, and to stay youthful. And that can be your goal too. Science backs this up. Research shows that even just 15 to 30 minutes of light to moderate physical activity daily can dramatically improve muscle strength, balance, and flexibility in seniors. It lowers the risk of falls, fractures, heart disease, and even depression. Movement sends a signal to your muscles: hey, we still need you. Stay strong. And the muscles respond. Every single time. Now you might be wondering, is it really enough? Just moving? Yes. Because it's not just about the movement itself, it's about what movement triggers inside your body. When you move, you boost blood flow to your muscles, delivering oxygen and nutrients. You stimulate the release of growth factors and hormones that repair and rebuild muscle fibers. You keep your joints lubricated. You strengthen your bones. You train your brain too, because movement improves coordination, balance, and even memory. It's all connected. One daily habit, moving your body, sets off a chain reaction of benefits that ripple through every system in your body. Your heart gets stronger. Your lungs work better. Your metabolism speeds up. Your energy levels rise. Your mood lifts. Your sleep improves. Your pain decreases. And yes, your muscles regain their strength. Think about it, one small habit, a few minutes a day, could make the difference between needing help to get out of a chair and popping up easily on your own. Between fearing falls and walking with confidence. Between feeling old and feeling vibrant. The choice is yours. And it starts today. Arnold's philosophy is simple: you can't climb the ladder of success with your hands in your pockets. The same goes for health. You can't regain your strength sitting still. You have to move. And the beauty is, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be intense. It just has to be consistent. Consistency beats intensity every time. Walking 10 minutes every day beats working out hard once a week. Stretching for a few minutes every morning beats doing a big workout once a month. Your muscles don't care how fancy your movements are. They just need you to show up for them. Every day. So here's the invitation: today, commit to this one daily habit. Move. Stretch your arms up high when you get out of bed. March in place while brushing your teeth. Walk to the mailbox and back. Lift your groceries like you're in a strength competition. Find joy in every movement. Make it fun. Make it part of your life. You don't have to become Arnold Schwarzenegger. You just have to follow his secret: daily movement keeps you young. And it's never too late to start. Whether you're 60, 70, 80, or beyond, your muscles are ready to respond. They are waiting for you to wake them up. They're waiting for that signal that says, "We're still in this. Let's get stronger together." And if you're thinking, "It's too late for me," let me tell you, the science proves otherwise. Studies have shown that even seniors in their 80s and 90s can rebuild muscle mass with simple, daily movement. One famous study looked at nursing home residents in their 90s who started a basic strength training program. Within just 8 weeks, they dramatically improved their muscle strength, their walking speed, and their overall vitality. Some who had needed walkers no longer did. Some who needed help standing could now stand independently. It's never too late. Your body is amazing. It's resilient. It's ready to change. It's ready to get strong again. But it needs you to make the first move, literally. Arnold's legacy isn't just about bodybuilding titles or Hollywood fame. It's about showing people that strength, resilience, and vitality are choices we can make at any age. And the first choice is movement. Daily movement. No matter how small. No matter how simple. So tomorrow morning, when you wake up, before you even think about your coffee, your news, your phone, move. Stretch. Stand tall. Walk a little. Feel your muscles waking up. Feel life flowing through your body. Remind yourself, you're not done yet. Your best days can still be ahead of you. You can still be strong. You can still live with power, with independence, with joy. And every time you move, remember, you're investing in your future. You're adding days, months, even years of quality living to your life. You're honoring your body. You're honoring your spirit. Arnold once said, "Strength does not come from winning. Your struggles develop your strengths." When you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, that is strength. Maybe aging has brought some struggles. Maybe you faced health challenges, aches, pains, doubts. That's okay. You're here. You're listening. You're choosing strength. That's powerful. And it all starts with one decision. One commitment. One habit. Move your body every day. No excuses. No surrender. No giving up. You're stronger than you think. Your muscles are ready. Your spirit is ready. Now it's your turn to show up. So let's get moving. Today, tomorrow, and every day after that. Because you deserve to feel alive. You deserve to feel powerful. You deserve to feel like you're 40 again, or even better. And it all begins with just one daily habit. Movement. The timeless secret to restoring your muscle strength, your vitality, and your joy. Just like Arnold Schwarzenegger has proven, time and time again, it's never too late to be strong again. Now go. Take that first step. Your future self is cheering for you.